Hello friends, and welcome to today's beautiful anklet tutorial, where I get to show you how to bead this beautiful Kenyan themed anklets. They're quite simple, and I believe you can learn this even if it's your first time in beading. So kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and let's start our journey on making our beautiful anklet. So you'll need this lock um, that has got two pieces. You can unscrew it like this. So it has got the male and female. It can look identical to this or something that's close to this. It depends with your final or what you get from your local shop. Okay, so you'll also need beads. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Kenyan colors. You'll also need the 0.60 millimeters fishing line or the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. It depends with how sturdy you want your artwork to be. You'll need a tape measure to measure your artwork. Also, you'll need a nail cutter to cut the fishing line. So we begin by measuring the leg that you're going to put the anklet on. Okay, so as you can see, it's roughly 8 inches the diameter there, as you can see. So you also measure your fishing line so that you get the correct measurements. I'm going to use roughly a fishing line that's around 11 inches so that we can have some spare fishing line where we can put the stopper, and you're going to see the reason why we put excess fishing line as we continue. So we begin by putting that stopper there, that white bead we've put as a stopper, and then you make this beautiful knot, one knot, so that it can block this stopper from going out. And then now you put one end of the lock there. So you should have something like this as you begin, and then you pull it in like that. You should have something like that, and you should just make sure it's sturdy, it's strong, it won't open up the knot that you made. And then now you begin. I'm going to begin with the 11 black beads, 3 white beads, and then either use red or green, but I'm going to use green. So my pattern is going to go like that: black, white, green, white, red, white, black. Okay, as you repeat the same procedure, you can try it out with your beautiful colors combination that you want. And as you can see, you need to count so that you're sure that your artwork will look correct. Okay, it will look neat. So you just don't randomly put your beads. You need to constantly counter check them, and that's why I keep telling you that when you're selling your product, how to know how the price of your product is the amount of time taken, the amount of level of details that you had to put into making this product. So here, this is quite a simple tutorial. It's something that even a total beginner in beading can do, and I actually recommend, if you're starting beadwork, this is one beautiful challenge that you can take upon, because it's simple and it's something that does not require a lot of skill set. So you can easily go by this and get it right even in the first trial. So I'm really looking forward to your feedback and seeing what you guys have been able to do. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have something new, you'd be first to know. And I can't wait to see all the things that you guys do. I'm really grateful for all the feedback that you guys have been giving me. You have sent pictures that you've been able to do. Also on the comment section, you've been able to tell me what you've done, and I have shared some of the products that you guys have been able to do on the community tab. If you haven't checked that already, you kindly go to the community tab of this channel and you can be able to see what other guys have been able to do. And as you can see here, we're making quite some beautiful progress. You just need to be patient and also keen, so that you can be able to make this artwork to the level of details like this. So it's not a complicated thing. It's something that you can do even if you're a total beginner. And I love hearing the stories, the feedback, seeing the products that I might have inspired you guys to do. Kindly reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below, and I can be able to see what you guys have done and also inspire other people to do the same. Okay, guys? And as you can see here, we're just repeating the same thing over and over again until we get to the desired length that we had earlier measured. As you remember, it was 8 inches. So we have this extra piece, or the excess fishing line is also so that we can have some room to fit in our beads. I hope that makes sense. If you start doing this, you can be able to understand what I'm saying. So kindly give it a try if you haven't already. And as you can see here, our artwork is almost done. I'm going to measure it to see how far along we are. And as you can see here, it's actually exactly at 8 inches. So as you can remember, we had earlier measured the leg to 8 inches. So I'm going to put the other end of the stopper here like that, and then this is the first end, sorry. So I'm going to snap the fishing line, the excess fishing line, just before the knot like that. And then now I'm going to introduce the other end of the lock, this one. So we pass it like that, and then you put bead, just one bead to act as a stopper on the inside. Okay, and then you make sure that it's passed to the inside, so that you need your work to be quite tight. You don't need to have, you don't want to have gaps in your artwork. So, and then you put the you tie one simple knot like this, the one that I am doing here, and make sure that it's at the very bottom, and very tight, so that your artwork remains intact. If you try this, a lot of the things that I'm saying will make sense. Okay, so kindly give it a try, and once you've snapped it, you can again, let's measure it just to be sure of our measurements. And as you can see there, it's at exactly 8 inches. Okay, so you can repeat this process with a number of different colors or anything else that you'd want. For me, I decided to reproduce other anklets with the same color as you'll see here. And let's try it on and see if it fits. So just putting it on is simply just like that. You just pass it through and screw the lock like that, and there you have it. Our anklet looks beautiful. You can as well as have as many anklets as you want like this. And personally, I think if you have different color combinations, it will look good. And let me know on the comment section what color combination you'd want on your anklet. And if you'd like to order one, kindly reach out to me. My contact details are down on the description below. And thank you guys for watching till this point. See you on the next video.